Hello everybody, it's the November 2022 garden update. May get a little wind noise in here, so I apologize in advance for that. We're starting to get a little touch of frost at night. Hasn't affected anything over here just yet, but it will. Still haven't got that little tree out yet. And there's another one. We'll get them one day. These here, they're still growing. That's about all I can say. Oh, the potted plants are moved back here. They have got frozen, so I will clean those out here soon. They're back here for a reason. You'll see in a little while. These marigolds, they're still growing. I actually covered these last night. Try to get a little more enjoyment out of them. And the ground covering. It's still ground covering, so that's all I can ask of it. AC worked perfectly all summer, no problems there. Now you may begin to see a little bit of the frost damage. These will have to be cut down pretty soon. And this side is still growing pretty well. A little freeze damage on that periwinkle plant. Seems like the sunflower came through unscathed. This section of the garden is just about cleaned out. The few remaining plants got frozen. I somewhat covered the tomatoes, but I didn't get them all, so they froze back a little bit. Trying to get just a few more tomatoes off of the plants. So that would be awesome. And thankfully the neighbor cut some trees, so that helps put some light on the garden again. Do appreciate that. Here's the broccoli patch. Gonna have some good meals out of that pretty soon. Something worked that Brussels sprout plant over. These marigolds did not freeze. Looks like these tomato plants made it. Sweet potatoes are dug. I'm sad to report this year's crop was a bust. But we'll just try again next year. This one has a little bit of freeze damage here this morning. And the 4 o'clocks are still standing tall. You can tell the growing season's just about done. And of course the asparagus ferns are still doing okay. Look at all these peppers. These didn't freeze, so that's awesome. Can still harvest some peppers off of these. As well as this one looks to be okay. It was just real patchy frost last night. I did cover these marigolds. Try to enjoy them a little while longer yet. But these coleus plants froze. So those are super sensitive to frost, that's for sure. Not much to report over here. Ah, but there are some Christmas lights up now. And the tropical plants are cut down. That's a necessary thing to do the Christmas lights. This thing's in full bloom now. This is why I call this the yellow flower bed, if you don't know. It's definitely yellow. It's a chrysanthemum of some kind that gets kind of tall. Has pretty big flowers on it compared to the traditional one, but I like it. The pentas did not freeze, or did the periwinkles. They're still doing good. Of course, the pinks are going to do fine. They can handle some cold weather. And these chrysanthemums are still blooming. I had to trim them back a little bit for Christmas lights. And the bushes have Christmas lights on them as well. Of course, the hanging baskets are taken down because I had to put the super spheres up. So we'll be doing a Christmas light tour here in a little while. The flower bed by the mailbox made it, so that's good. Let's take a look right quick at that. That sunlight coming in on that yellow, that looks awesome. And then of course that one, I'm considering just taking that one completely out because the tree trunk's getting so big I can't really plant anything in here anymore. So I'm going to dig out all those spider lilies and relocate them and take that border out and kind of just even that out and just call it a day. Very nice on that. Here's this middle flower bed in the front yard. I covered it last night somewhat. Didn't work out so well on this fire bush. Got bit back a little bit on top, but everything else pretty well made it. Try to enjoy that just a few more days. And this coleus plant didn't fare too well, but it's still growing. Didn't completely kill anything. We'll see when the sun gets on it after a day or two what made it and what didn't. We'll just start cleaning things up. And not much to report over here at this time. Definitely not the time of year where this flower bed shines. But everything's fertilized and getting ready to go for next season. The grass is beginning to change and go dormant. And here is the front yard. Still green at the moment, but depending on how much frost we got, that'll change pretty quickly. And here's an overall look at the backyard. Leaves are beginning to fall, so I'll be mulching those throughout the coming weeks and keep everything cleaned up the best I can. So once again, this is the November 2022 garden update. Thank you for watching.